laki nga idol. Jackpot.
Super, may sawa tayo. Oo. Isa ako eh.
Hello guys, good morning, good morning.
Tayo naman ako.
Guys, huli na agad. Galing.
Oo.
Wow, ang laki.
Oo, laki. Oo, laki.
Lapad, dol. Too sorry? Too sorry.
Taga ako.
Galing, galing.
Kita ba?
Oo, dol. Kitang-kita, dol. Clear na clear.
Ganda.
Ay lang gamit natin guys, no pat-pat lang, pat-pat. Yun na! Yun na! Naramdaman ko. Malakas ang pangkakba. Wow! Ang laki na naman yan, master. Wow! Galing! Simpleng-simple lang.
Pero?
3, sorry. Galing, galing. Meron na agad. Wow! Ang laki. Laki niya, master. Ikot-ikot siya sa baba, oh. Ang ikot. Galing, galing. Wow, wow, galing, galing. Easy lang. Mag-fishing, no? Hindi nyo na kailangan guys pahirapan mga sarili natin, no? Simple lang, no? Meron ka bang guantes? Wala din yung guantes ko, nilabahan ko eh. Ayun na! Hindi nyo pa na-try dyan, Master Bumba? Dyan? Ayun na guys, ayun na, ayun na. Dali, dali, dali. Another one. Ay, ang laki! Ang laki naman yan, grabe. Ang laki, Master. Wala talagang kawala. Wow! Uy, uy, uy! Sayang naman, nalaglag pa. Mabigat na kasi. Na, pinako na. Ayun na, dali na guys, dali na. Wow, galing. Grabe. Ang galing naman. Ganun lang manghuli guys, no? Simpleng-simple lang.
Basic lang.
Basic
Ganda
lang.
pa ng ating ano.
Oh, stick lang, pamatpat lang ang gamit guys, pamatpat.
Ano lang oh. Kaliskis lang.
Yon, shout out. Yon, shout out sa nanguhuli ng isda sa atin, no? Simpleng-simple lang guys, pamatpat lang ang gamit. Grabe, nakakatawa si Sir Chi. Ayun na. Makakaliskis na naman yun, master.
Kaliskis talaga.
Hi, shout out to all live viewers out there, guys. What kind fish are you fishing? Right now we fishing carp. we fishing carp and tilapia, guys. Tilapia and carp.
Ilan minuto na?
8 pa lang, ha?
Ito lang? Wala ko mga ano, no?
Right now we are here in Taiwan. Right now we are here in Taiwan.
May isa doon ba?
May
May isa doon.
Okay guys, we need to change because have problem. It broke.
Hindi na malaking isda.
Hello from Florida. Shout out Sir Lou from Florida, and shout out to you Sir Chi. Sir Chi from maybe from Philippines. Shout out sa iyo Mami Jo, and right now, and also Sir Chi. Meron nang nahuli. May nahuli na si si Kuya. Nasa nasa loob ng Hindi diyan, sa kabila. Yan, oh. Guys, set up muna tayo ulit, no? That's a very quick setup. Pakita mo sa nila, master, ah.
Ito yung box natin.
Hmm.
Lagyan natin lang ano. Ang lock. Para hindi na kailangan itali-tali pa yung mga mamaya. Eh. Hindi mo may ano yun. Ito guys, kailangan din ito. Ito kailangan to. Dito mo rin sabit to. Kailangan to. Sure bull. Hindi siya makakawala. Fix na yan.
Kamusta na mga efforts sa okay lang naman sila, Kuya Chi. Okay lang naman mga efforts sa Taiwan. Mga pogi pa din.
Tapos yung ating sima, pag nawala pa sa mga master bana. Sabitan dito. Yan o.
Si Shanghai, medyo matanda na si Shanghai ngayon eh.
Yan.
Naging lumpiang Shanghai na siya, sir. Yan oh.
Yan o.
Dali na.
Yan na. Let's go.
Let's go, guys. That's a very quick tutorial of my friend. Later, we do fishing using this fishing rod. This is new. I already buy. This is carbon. See? Carbon, guys. You're gonna snag. Yes, we gonna snag it. The fish. We are using snagging today. Snagging. Okay. Let's go to the riverside. Okay, guys, let's go. Oh, guys, catch another one.
Grabe yung makalaki.
Saan? Uy, wow, grabe ang lapad. Ang lapad niya, master. Huwag mong papakawalan. Let's go. Sayang yan, master. Uy. Uy, kala ko nakawala na. Ang lapad.
Dapat daw.
Oo, ang lapad, master. Ha? Ha, yes. This is tilapia. Shout out fisherman Y. Hi from Master and Friends. And also touch of native teaser. Is that tilapia? Yes, this is tilapia. Wala na, di na balance yan. Galing mo, Kuya Serena. Shout out to all our live viewers out there, guys. Comment down below which country were you from right now. Shout out to all of you, guys. Shout out to all of you. Please comment down below which country were you from. Di na kaya na cellphone dito, master. Nag-overheat. Mainit dito. Ha? Nag-overheat na yung cellphone ko eh. Katapat kasi sa araw. Hindi naman ako, hindi na balance eh, guys, no? Ayun na, guys, huli. Huli, guys, huli.
Kahit na dalawa na yung adino.
Kayang-kaya pa din. Jackpot. Galing, Dol.
Hindi kita lang di ba?
Ha? O naman. Lapad-lapad ng screen mo eh.
Dapat.
Uy, sayang naman nakawala pa.
huli pa rin kahit ano.
Huli pa din guys, huli. Huli guys. Hola, shout. Yun, galing talaga, shout out. Shout out, galing kuya, nakahuli agad. Sayang naman yung viewers ko. 60 na sana. Putol. Marupok. Wala, nag-stop na yung cellphone ko eh. Oo. May malaking karpa doon, oh. Bumalik ka na. Yun. Yung guys, I'm very sorry to all our live viewers out there guys because my phone is overheating because right now it's so hot here right now. It's so very hot. America, New Jersey, East Coast. Yung guys, okay, sorry. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry guys. Ayun na guys, meron na. Meron na, dali na. Yun guys. Shout out to all our live viewers out there guys. Comment down below which country where you from right now. Yun no. Oy, shout out nga pala sa pag-share ng live ni Master Friend si JC. Salamat sa iyo JC Vlogs. Sana lahat sila gayahin ka, JC Vlogs.
Support po natin mga master na, JC Vlogs.
Lick, United States. Shout out from Sir Lick from United States of America. Shout out to your new president, Donald Trump. Sir, who you vote for? Are you Donald Trump? Your president is Donald Trump? Congratulations to your new president, Donald Trump. Yeah, that's awesome, sir. Right now, we are here in Taiwan, but Donald Trump is my president too. But I'm Philippine, ha? I'm Philippine, guys. But I want president is Donald Trump because he is amazing. Oh, that's crazy. Another one, guys. Another one. Wow, that's a good size. Wow, that's a very good size. Oh, shout out Sir Nobody from Australia. Shout out Sir Nobody. Oh, yes sir. Yes sir Lee. Come visit us here in Taiwan. Come visit us here in Taiwan. I really want to be with you and do fishing. Sir, do you want fishing too? Do you know why I love Donald Trump? Because I'm amazed by him. Because he have a lot of business out there. Oh, that's good, Sir Lick. That's really good. Shout out to all our live view. Oh, another one, guys. Another one.
Nakawala na kasi.
Wala na balance yan eh. Thank you so much, Sir Lick, for your subs. Thank you so much, sir. I hope you're enjoying our live stream, guys. Please double tap your screen. Please double tap your screen. Thank you so much. Wow, another one, guys. Another one. Walang kawalan sa bibig eh. Parang kinain. Wow, that's another guy. Yes, yes. That's a really, really good fish and good size. Yes, come visit us here in Taiwan. And if you love fishing, we do fishing every day. Yes, Sir Lick and Hawaii. We love you here. Come visit us in Taiwan. Oh, another catch, guys. Another catch. Another catch. Whoa, that's a good size. Woo! Panalo, dol. If you fishing here in Taiwan, very, very easy, sir. I promise you. It only takes about 1 minute to 2 minutes, you have a fish. Yes, look at the water. It's so clear, my friend. Look at the water, guys. Look at the water. Tell me that is dirty. Look at how it's clear. The water is very, very clear, my friends. The water is very, very clear. We see the fish are moving. Hoping you here right now, my friends, because there are so many fish out there. Oh, you see this area? There's a lot of fish out there, but the sunlight, we are against the sunlight, guys. We are against the sunlight. That's why you cannot see. And our phone is getting overheating because right now it's the weather here is so hot. Yes, Shane Godwin. The water is very, very clear. Every fish move you see down below, my friends. If the fish is moving down there, down the river, guys, you see the fish. There's a little bit problem, my friend. Just wait. Ba't naputol yung kanina na sumabit kanina? May sumabit sa ilalim yun, oh. Hindi pala to. No, plat pala ang ilalim yun, no, plat. Yes, there's so many big fish out there, my friend Shane Godwin. Sometimes we catch fish about 50 kilos, 25 kilos out there. If the golden carp, sometimes the golden carp here is so really big. Ha? Kaya nga, no? Doon din may malaking karpa din doon, eh, oh. Asa na yun? Guys, another one. Wow! That's a good size. My friend, tell me, this is a good size or not? Yes, we eat a golden carp. Paulo Cesar, oy! Shoutout sa'yo, Sir Paulo Cesar from Master and Friends. Oy! Sir Paulo Cesar, oy! Now tell me, my friends, this is a good size or not? That's a big one. That's around 1 kilo or 2 kilo. Hello kabayan, Eric Pimentel, shout out sa'yo, sir. Please double tap your screen, guys, and share this live stream. Thank you so much. So many people can see our live stream, guys. And shout out sa sa FB page natin na mayroong 45 live viewers. Shout out to all of you guys. And sa atin namang YouTube page, sa ating YT page is 135 live viewers. Shout out to all of you guys.
Mabit na master.
Guys, another problem. Sumabit. Malalim pa. Mababayin mo na, master? Hindi ka daw, hindi ka. Guys, oh. Oh, where are you, kabayan? Are you in Tagalog pala, Mr. Godwin? Mr. Goodwin, right now we are here in Taiwan, sir. Right now we are here in Taiwan. Hi, Paulo Cesar. I don't understand you. Tell me in English only. Oh, that's our... Okay guys, there's another problem again. Pakita natin sa kanila, ang huli natin sa kanila, master. Guys, oh, tingnan nyo. Guys, wala na. Wala na kaming pang Pero tuloy pa rin ang live, guys. Papakita lang namin sa inyo yung huli namin gamit ang snagging. Yung guys, oh, ito yung huli natin sa pag-i-snagging, no? Wow, ang laki! Ang laki, man, master.
Laki na.
Oh, kaya ba nilang makita daw kung gaano kadami? Wow, ang lapad yan. Grabe ba? Sus! Ayan guys, so tingnan natin sa ako, ha. Tingnan nyo. Oh. Wow, there's a lot of fish. Big fish out there. Ooh, that's good luck. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you so much, guys, no?
Thank you so much, everyone. I love you all.